Welcome to my presentation on sulfur. Sulfur comes in different forms. At room temperature, it is a yellow solid. Here it is in the powdered form. The luster is dull and earthy, and if you melt the powder and let it cool, it crystallizes like this. Then, here we have liquid sulfur, which appears to be blood red. Sulfur is abundant in everywhere. It is a constituent of the Earth's crust, the ocean, the human body, the solar system, and the entire Earth. For example, in the human body, sulfur is essential for the production of the systemic enzymes that aid digestion, and it assists other systems of the body. In its pure form, one of the primary sources is volcanoes. The melting point is 112 and 0.8 degrees Celsius, and the element is highly flammable. It burns with a blue iridescent flame when melted. Here we have a picture of a volcano spewing blue lava, which is not uncommon when the volcano is sulfuric. Over 1,000 minerals contain sulfur that as an essential constituent of their composition. This is because sulfur is able to form compounds with the majority of the elements. Here are some examples of minerals containing sulfur. Boronite is a sulfide mineral. A sulfide mineral is a primary accessory mineral in igneous rocks. Gypsum is a soft sulfate mineral. A sulfate mineral combines sulfur and oxygen with metal. Pyrite is an iron sulfide, also referred to as a disulfide. Later in this video, I am going to explain pyrite in more detail. The pure element of sulfur is odorless. Combined with other elements, it creates a smelly aroma. For example, sulfur compounds are the reasons onions make you cry, the reason asparagus gives urine a strange color, the reason garlic has a sharp smell, and the reason why rotten eggs smell so bad. Pyrite is a mineral that contains sulfur and consists of a chemical composition of iron sulfide. It is known as the most common sulfide mineral, and as I mentioned earlier, a sulfide mineral is a primary accessory mineral in igneous rocks. It is named after a Greek word that means fire because it can produce sparks when struck with metal. There are many uses for sulfur. 90% of sulfur is used to make sulfuric acid, which is used for the purposes of industrial chemicals. These industrial chemicals are used in fertilizers, insecticides, and fungicides. Other of the many uses of sulfuric acids include soaps, textiles, papers, explosives, paint, dyes, and food preservatives. Pyrite is found in igneous rocks as an accessory mineral. It is formed during the solidification of the rocks from the magma. Pyrite also can be found in large deposits of metamorphic rocks. It weathers rapidly and produces a yellow-brown color or coating. Finally, it forms in sedimentary rocks such as coal, shale, and limestone. This process requires the presence of organic matter in the sediment. This element is found in Arizona in many different rocks and minerals. It is found in desert soils. It is also found in sulfur mines in the counties of Mojave, Pinole, and Yavapai. It is found in the Cochise County in the Sulphur Spring Valley, in the Commonwealth Mine. Many minerals are found in this mine, including gypsum, galena, and pyrite. This concludes my presentation on the element of sulfur.